Okay, question 19, quite topical question about this fictitious village called Noethersbrook. Any idea why it might be called that? The question asks us to describe this situation with a suitable diagram. There's a couple of ways, at least, that I know that this could be done, but I've decided to use a Venn diagram. So here's my Venn diagram with all of the people from Noethersbrook, and my two circles represent the people that went into hospital and the people that had the virus. So 20 people went into the hospital and 14 of those had the virus, which means that 6 of them went into the hospital and didn't have the virus. Of the remaining residents that didn't go into hospital, there were 58 that didn't have the virus. So that leaves 22 of the people in the village who didn't go to hospital but did have the virus. So what we're asked to do is to find the probability that an inhabitant had the virus but didn't go to the hospital. So this is the probability virus and not hospital, and that is 22 out of 100, which is 0.22 in decimal. Okay, now we need to determine whether the event of an inhabitant going to hospital was independent of them having the virus. So what I'm going to do is to calculate the probability of having the virus given that they went to hospital. And that's the same as the probability of the virus and hospital divided by the probability of the virus. So that's 14 over 100 divided by 36 over 100, which is approximately 0.39. Now when we compare that with the probability of having the virus, that's 36 over 100, which is 0.36. Now these numbers are not equal to each other, therefore the two events are not independent. So, did you come to the same conclusion? Did you get the same answer? And did you get the bonus point for working out why this village might be called Noethersbrook? So for the extra bonus points for this question, you needed to know that this reference is to Emmy Noether, a very, very important and influential female mathematician, a very unusual person in those times. I would recommend that you look up her story because it's a very courageous and very interesting story.